Jeffy and Big Bad Wolf.
We're going to see Kung Fu Panda 4 because me and our friends really want to see it.
But Mario, I don't want to see Kung Fu Panda 4. Besides, that movie was so lame.
Yeah, me too. I want to stay home to watch
Dr. Fickle Shits. Yeah, I want to stay home too to watch the Monster Clubhouse. When I not stay home to watch any Dr. Fickle Shits, it says Monster Clubhouse. We're going to see Kung Fu Panda 4 and that's final. So, get in the car right now. Dad, I don't want to go. Jeffy and Wolf, stop talking. Now we have to get used to it. Can we go to McDonald's? No, we're not going to McDonald's. No, but we're gonna have to get something to eat before we get there to the movie theater. But we're so hungry. Fine, we could go to McDonald's. But make it quick. We'll not be late for a movie. Just not take it so slow. At McDonald's. Hurry up, 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 hurry up. Shut up, Mario and Big Bird. Just let us get our food. I got my order. Chill. 10 minutes later. Okay, everyone. You ready? Let's go. Dad, can we go to Best Buy to buy any Sesame Street Monster Hits on DVD? Fine, but this is the last stop. Now we'll have to get something there to buy with it when we get to the movie theaters. 5 minutes later. Okay, now I got that DVD. Let's go. Hey, that's not funny at all. How dare you put the whoopee cushions in the car seats? Now that car just smells like the dumpster or the puke. That's very nasty and gross. Just stop. Oh, wait a minute, I have a better idea. I'm gonna put it on Laffy powder into Mr. Count's Cookie Monsters, Telly Monsters, Ernie's, and Chef Pee-Pee's, Black Yoshi's, and Shrek's shoes.
Wow! Oh no! I never.
Oh my god, Jeffy and Big Bad Wolf. How dare you just crash the car in the ground and destroy customer a bomb. Now that car has a flat tire and needs to fix it. That's it. Now everybody get out of the car. Now you both are busted. Hi there, y'all. Oh, hi there, she and Ka. Hi, Jeffy. Hi, Ka and she. Hi, Mr. Wolf. So, what do you both of you guys want us for? I don't know. I was wondering if you guys wanted to see me. I can have a play date with you. So, can we just hang out here at the playground and basketball? Sure. That sounds like a plan. Jeffy and Big Bad Wolf, we just fixed the car. Now it's gonna be late. Well, sorry, I'm gonna have to wrap you up, but bye. We talk to you later. So long. After all of these excuses of Jeffy and Big Bad Wolf did not go to the movies to see Kung Fu Panda 4, his gang made it, except they missed everything except almost the end credits. Let's see what happens next. Oh, great! We're late to the movie. Now we're going to see Kung Fu Panda 4 because Mario and friends want to see it. And even Sesame Street friends too. But no. You both have to stall us. The movie is almost over. Oh my god, the movie just ended. Oh, whoa, 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 Jeffy and Big Bad Wolf. How do you make us late? That's it. We're going home right now. You're deep trouble. Stop crying, Big Bad Wolf and Jeffy. This is our fault. But Dad, we want to go stay home and watch Dr. Fickle Shits. Yeah, me too. I want to stay home and watch Monster Clubhouse. No, you ruined my life. You ruined my night. And we can't go see the Kung Fu Panda 4 because of you too. Alright. Can we at least to go see Despicable Me 4 when it comes out?
No!
You ruined my night. But you are grounded when I get home.
Wah 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 wah. Silence!
Go to your room and go to bed. And never ever come out until it's dinner time. Wow, 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 wow.
Quiet!
The end.